Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to pay your Pru Life UK policy using the BPI app. So open the BPI app and log into your account. Then tap the menu button at the top corner of the screen. Select Pay Bills. Next, choose the BPI you want to use for the payment. For this video, let's try the payroll account. Then enter the premium amount you want to pay. Next, select Pillars and look for Pru Life UK. You can also select it from your favorites if you already added it. Review all the payment details carefully, then tap Confirm to continue. Finally, complete the security verification using the OTP to authorize the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation in the app. Thanks everyone!